welcome or welcome back to the vlog. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new, you may as well hit subscribe. I'm going out for lunch with my mom in the town, and this is the outfit of the day. This shirt is actually from my mom. These jeans are from my mom. The clips are mine, and the belt is mine. That's about it though. Yeah, we're gonna go into town and grab some lunch, and I'm teaching in the studio today, and I figured I'd take you guys along with me for a few days of my life, so let's go. My mom actually brought a ton of stuff when she came to visit me, including these macaroons, which is so sweet. She didn't have to do that, but she is the best. She also brought us some pizzas and some soups from Farm Boy because she knows how much we love the soups and the pizzas from there. We had a really nice early morning and afternoon together. We had lunch, we had some girl time, we walked around the town, went shopping a little bit, saw all the Christmas decor in the town, and we even had time to check out a puzzle store where we actually bought a few puzzles and games for Christmas to do. The game we actually ended up picking was a trivia game, and I think it'll be lots of fun. It depends on how much we actually know about pop culture, because the question examples in the back were pretty good, but you never know with those kinds of things. So it'll be fun and a little bit of an adventure to see if we can answer all the questions in the trivia game. What I love most about living in a more rural area is that it's not as busy as a city. When you're driving to places, you don't have to worry about traffic as often, and you always know that the people that you meet will have smiling faces, and it's a smaller community, so really everybody is for everyone else, and we're all just trying to help one another out, which is what I love. I'm not saying you can't get that sense of community in a city. I think that's why a lot of people have turned to dance or other hobbies. So comment down below what hobbies you turn to or what community building activities you enjoy to stay close to your community. Count the number of times I've said community. I swear it's been like 5 or 6 times.
That's a little puppy. Don't throw up on the couch.
I just finished my last training session and I'm done really early. I'm done at noon today. It's also Black Friday, so I'm very tempted to go into town and use a gift card I have to Lululemon that my student gave me, which is so sweet. It made me so happy to wake up to this morning. I'm gonna go take Sneaky Dog on a walk now because she's cray-cray. I'm gonna take her outside in the rain. I obviously can't wear this either. I was just wearing this to teach this morning. This sweater is actually from when I went to the Paris Opera with my mom. We toured Paris in 2018, right before the pandemic. Actually, summer of 2019, before the pandemic. Love this sweater. I'm gonna wear this on my walk, and these sweatpants my neighbor gave to me, and hopefully this keeps me warm enough on our WALK. Afternoon classes were canceled, meaning I am free this afternoon. I'm done since noon, and Steve and I just had lunch and watched RuPaul's Drag Race All Stars All Stars. I was gonna do regular ballet class because I put on my Pop Flex skirt, the twirl dress, and I was like, you know what, I should just do regular ballet class because I have lots of time. I can really refine some things. Then I was like, wait, hold on, I have lots of time, so I'm gonna do a pointe class and break in a pair of new shoes. And I know that I sewed a pair of new shoes a few months ago and just never quite broke them in. I do have a pair as well that are like brand new. I've never ever worn. Clearly you can tell they are brand new. But I'm not about that today, and I'm not gonna wear a dead pair of shoes either. I'm gonna wear these ones. These are the Freed Studio, I have no idea actually, Freed C Pro, and they're in size 5.5 with the fish maker. I'm going to wear these ones and do some point work today. I'm not going to focus so much on ballet technique as I am point work, so I'm just going to do that today. I have a bit more free time. I can use this time to break in a pair of shoes. I can't find the other one. Oh, here it is. And then if I feel like it, I'll do like a workout or something. I think I'm going to film a workout as well since I have so much more time. I also recently hit 100,000 subscribers on Instagram, which makes me so happy and excited because I've been working really hard on my Instagram. I've been posting every day and being consistent, and that just goes to show all of this paid off, you know, waking up early before my 8-hour shift and then after working for 4 hours still posting through it. It paid off because now I have 100,000 beautiful subscribers on my Instagram page that follow my story and follow my ballet stuff, whether it be for inspiration, humor, or comfort. I don't know. A lot of you guys watch my vlogs too, as you said, for comfort. And that makes me happy because that's why I personally like watching vlogs. I don't love watching vlogs of people who have really unrealistic lifestyles and not relatable days, because when I watch a YouTuber, I want to feel comforted, like I'm with a friend and hanging out with a friend. I don't want to watch somebody who's on a yacht and spending, you know, $10,000 on dinner. I'm like, hey, I don't know how this is relatable. No, if I wanted to watch something like that, I'd watch Bling Empire or Selling Sunset. But personally, for YouTube, I just like to watch people who are similar to me or people who I aspire to be in my very normal person life, you know? I say normal as I bend my foot in half. I probably should have warmed up my feet a little bit better before this too, but that's okay. I did a ballet class like maybe a half hour ago, so I'm not that cold. There's just so many shoes, and I have no idea where my toe spacer is.
As you guys know, I teach bright and early Saturday mornings, so after I taught classes at the studio, I went to the mall, met my mom, and we got our brand new iPhones. My iPhone is the purple lavender one I showed earlier, and I went to my mom's house to help her set up her new phone, transfer all the data from the old one, and I'm so thankful for my mom for helping me out with this phone. Once I was done helping out my parents and visiting with them, I went back home, and Steve and I went to the lighting of the Christmas tree. Funny story, actually, by the time we got there, we actually had missed most of the event. We got there a few minutes too late, so we caught the last part of the act Just in time, we saw the lady singing the Christmas carols, which really put us in the holiday spirit. After touring around the town, we went on a long drive and then came back home, ate pizza, and went to bed. And then the next day, we went for a nice long walk. I got to test out my brand new camera on my new phone. This is all the footage that I took on my new phone. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was pretty short, but it was a busy last few days. Nonetheless, I'm still very happy and excited to share my life with you guys. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now. Happy dancing.